Hello. I had a conversation with Jared earlier because I realized I didn't know how soap worked, and he explained it to me and looked up some stuff and then set me free with a bunch of Mr. Sketch markers. And so now we're bringing you the information of how soap works. Is that in frame? Okay. So the first thing you need to know is that viruses are contained in something called a lipid membrane, which behaves just like fat or oil. It is a non-polar molecule. On the other side, we have water over here, which is a polar molecule. So as you probably know, oil and water don't mix, but that also means that lipid membranes containing viruses and water don't mix, which is why it's not really anything to just rinse your hands with water if you're trying to get rid of germs. So what you need is something to turn this don't mix into a mix, because you want the water to be able to carry away the lipid membranes containing the viruses. So enter dun, 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 a micelle. So my cell is not your cell, for the record. A micelle is this micelle is an accumulation of soap molecules, which are these red dots with the little blue squigglies coming out of them. And these micelles contain both non-polar on the inside, so the blue squigglies are non-polar, and these red guys on the outside are polar, which, as you guessed, both traps the oil in the middle and attracts water on the outside. So it allows the water to rinse away this micelle trapped oil thing. And that's why when you rinse with water, remember water is polar, so when you rinse with fresh water, the water from the tap attracts to this water that's attached to the micelle, and it flushes away the whole system. And that's how soap works. Hope you enjoyed.